Bell Wi-Fi pods enhance your home network using a mesh system. First, ensure your Bell Home Hub is online. Download and open the Bell Home app version 5.0 or higher and log in. Plug in the primary pod near your home hub, waiting for the blue or green light. In the app, go to Wi-Fi pods, then add pod. Scan the QR code on the pod or use Bluetooth for auto detection. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for any firmware updates. Repeat this for all additional pods. Optimal pod placement is key to strong Wi-Fi coverage. Position pods 30 to 50 feet apart in open, elevated areas. Avoid placing them near obstructions like metal objects or furniture, which can reduce signal strength by 20 to 30%. Use the Bell Home app's speed test and AI placement assistant to find and eliminate dead zones. The app provides real-time guidance for optimal positioning. View the heat map for signal strength visualization across your home. The app allows bandwidth monitoring to track usage patterns. Set up parental controls to manage device access. For troubleshooting, use remote resets to fix connectivity issues without physical access to pods.